A playful kitten chases butterflies. The kitten suddenly looks up and spots a colorful kite. Kitten runs and leaps, trying to catch the flying kite. A sudden gust pulls the kite away, dropping it onto the roof of a busy market stall. The kitten climbs the stall and reaches for the kite perched on the roof. He slips, falling right onto an older shopkeeper cat, knocking over vegetables. The older cat growls, furiously angry. The kitten dashes away through the market in panic. Bye, and watch my next adventure.